In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook error code 339981147. This issue often shows up when the connection between Windows and your work or school account gets out of sync, causing sign-in or activation problems in Outlook. We'll refresh that connection safely, and you should be back to sending and receiving mail in just a few minutes. Start by saving any open work, then close all Office applications. That includes Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and anything else from Microsoft 365. Give it a moment to ensure everything has fully closed, and check the taskbar or system tray to make sure nothing is still running in the background. Next, open the Windows Start menu and go to Settings. If you don't see Settings right away, you can type Settings and press Enter. In the Settings window, choose Accounts. This is where Windows manages the identities and connections used for sign-in and single sign-on. Inside Accounts, select Access Work or School. This page shows the organizational account that Windows uses to connect services like Outlook, OneDrive for Business, and other Microsoft 365 apps. A corrupted or stale link here is a common cause of the error. Find your work or school email entry, click it to expand the options, and select Disconnect. Confirm the prompt to continue. This does not remove your mailbox or delete your email. It only disconnects the Windows link so we can set up a clean connection. If your device is managed by your organization, you might need approval or to reconnect to get policies back. This is normal. Now restart your computer. A full restart clears cached tokens and finishes the disconnect cleanly, which is key to resolving the error. After Windows comes back up, return to Settings, open Accounts, and go to Access Work or School again. Click Connect. This begins the process of re-establishing the trusted link between Windows and your organization. When prompted, sign in with your work or school credentials. If you're asked to allow your organization to manage your device, make sure the box is checked and click OK. This enables features like single sign-on, device compliance, and license activation that Outlook relies on. If you don't see that option, just complete the sign-in as usual. At this point, open Outlook and let it finish syncing. The error code 339981147 should be gone. If you still see issues, double check that you selected the correct work or school account during sign-in and consider contacting your IT support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Outlook running smoothly again.